Top 10 Richest Jamaican Celebrities. You have seen them on television, you listen to their music. They deliver musical hits or set athletic records. They live the lifestyles of the rich and famous every day. Do you ever wonder how much money these celebrities actually have in their bank accounts? And their assets such as homes, cars, and other things? So, who are the top 10 richest Jamaican celebrities for 2019? This video will certainly satisfy your curiosity. As you know, the previous list of the top 10 richest dancehall artists caused some controversy. As expected, there was lots of buzz surrounding it. Persons were expecting some artists to be included, while wondering how others did not make the list. However, when dealing with facts, not everyone will agree. Anyway, welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates.
I'm on the mission. A mission. Today is the day.
Cause you know, so right now, anywhere me go, me always have to introduce somebody. Vybz Kartel, come up. Cause Vybz Kartel is the next artist that me bring on the scene. You know, so me is a man, me always take a lot to start up.
Number 10. Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel has accumulated his net worth from his performances from singing and songwriting, successful DJ career, and his liquor line called Street Vybz Rum. He had also launched a cake soap and shoe line. Vybz Kartel was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and began his music career while a teenager in 1993. His first single, Love Fat Woman, was released by One Art, a label owned by Alvin Reid. Kartel owns labels at DJM, Short Bass, Bigger Done, and Valerie Records. His net worth is an estimated $5.5 million. Number 9. Maxi Priest. And guys, just to let you know that all net worths are quoted in US currency. Maxi Priest is another hugely successful international reggae singer with some R&B influence. Maxi Priest has released some 9 albums since the mid-1980s, most of which top charts in the UK. Although Maxi Priest was born in Jamaica, his parents moved him to UK at a young age, which influenced the R&B flavor in his voice. His net worth is an estimated $10 million. Number 8. Ziggy Marley. Ziggy Marley is the oldest son of the late king of reggae, Bob Marley. Ziggy Marley has always been regarded as the most successful of the Marley children. But some may speculate that the bulk of Ziggy's net worth comes from inheritance. But Ziggy Marley has been recording since he was a teenager. His 2006 album, Love Is My Religion, earned Ziggy his 3rd Grammy and sold millions of copies worldwide. Ziggy is a core figure at the helm of Tough Gang Worldwide record label, which is responsible for distributing Bob Marley music worldwide. Earlier this year, Ziggy won his 5th Grammy for Best Reggae Album. His net worth is $10.2 million. Number 7. Sean Paul. Sean Paul is no doubt the most internationally successful dancehall artist to date. His 2004 album Dirty Rock sold 6 million copies worldwide, which pushed him into the mainstream of music. Dirty Rock won Sean Paul a Grammy Award and several other nominations. Paul also did collaborations with megastars such as Beyoncé, Rihanna, Keisha Cole, to name a few. So there is no surprise that Sean Paul is on this list of top 10 dancehall artists in Jamaica. His net worth is $12 million. Number 6. Shaggy. Shaggy's 2001 album Hot Shot sold more than 20 million copies worldwide, making him one of music's top-selling artists. The mega sales propelled Shaggy to arguably become reggae's richest artist of the current generation. Hot Shot peaked at number 1 on the Billboard charts in the US and the UK, and was certified X6 Platinum on the US alone. Despite the huge success of Hot Shot, Shaggy never released another successful album up to date, and he really doesn't need to. These days, Shaggy is more known for his charitable work in Jamaica after he launched the Shaggy Foundation, which is responsible for the annual Shaggy and Friends concert. All profit goes to the Bustamante Children's Hospital in Jamaica. His net worth is $12.3 million. Number 5. Daniel Sturridge. Daniel Andre Sturridge is a professional football player who came from England. He was born on September 1st, 1989 in Birmingham, England. Sturridge began his early career at hometown club Aston Villa. He made his professional debut with Manchester City and played for the team until 2009. In 2013, Sturridge, since age 13, he joined the Manchester City Academy. Sturridge signed a 4-year contract with Chelsea on July 3, 2009. Sturridge joined Liverpool on January 2, 2013, but the total cost of the transport undisclosed. Daniel Sturridge has received about $3.38 million yearly salary with Liverpool. His estimated net worth is between 16 to 20 million US dollars. Number 4. Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy Cliff's true net worth is not fully known, as data I collected was limited. But from Forbes and from the movie listing The Order They Come, this star is worth in the region of $18 million. I've seen listing where he was listed to have been worth $215 million. However, Jimmy Cliff is no doubt the second most iconic personality in reggae music to date, second only to the king himself, Bob Marley. Jimmy Cliff, hit movie The Order They Come helped propel the worldwide reggae music movement of the 1970s. Bob Marley may need to credit Jimmy Cliff on his blockbuster film for some of his success in the 70s. In 2010, Jimmy Cliff was also one of the 5 performers inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Cliff is also a full-fledged entrepreneur with several businesses under his belt.
Well, I believe everybody, has talent, but it's a matter of willpower and determination that does it, and a bit of luck.
Number 3. Raheem Sterling. A young attacking midfielder and winger for Liverpool, Jamaican-born Raheem Sterling's net worth is a reported $45 million. Born on December 8, 1994, Raheem Shaquille Sterling migrated to London from Jamaica with his mother when he was 5 years old. His rendezvous with football began at Queen's Park Rangers, after which he was lured to Liverpool by Rafael Benitez in 2010 for £450,000 sterling, with the probability of a rise up to £5 million sterling based on a number of appearances. His initial appearance for the first team was against Borussia Mönchengladbach in August 2010 in Germany. Sterling's first goal playing for Liverpool's youth team came against Hibernian. Number 2. Rita Marley. Rita Marley is the widow of reggae legend musician Bob Marley and a member of the trio I-Threes, her husband's backup singers. She has earned a net worth estimated at $50 million US dollars. She's sometimes called Nana Rita and also the Queen of Reggae. Born Alfarita Constantina Anderson on July 25, 1946 in Santiago de Cuba, she grew up in the upper level of Beachwood Avenue in Kingston, Jamaica. She was raised by her aunt Viola while her father went to London to look for work, but he never returned. She described this in her book No Woman No Cry, My Life with Bob Marley, that was released in 2004. Her net worth of $50 million US dollars.
When I was performing with Bob Marley as a background singer with the I-Threes, I would sometimes get that special nudge and attention as a wife and the sweetheart and the lover, that we knew what was going on, because we were bedroom mates, partners.
Number 1. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is a retired Jamaican sprinter who is widely considered the fastest human on the planet. Usain Bolt was born in Jamaica on August 21, 1986, to parents were Leslie and Jennifer. A high school cricket coach recognized Usain's speed and encouraged him to focus instead on track and field. Usain quickly became one of the most talented young sprinters in the world, who would eventually set world records in the 100-meter, 200-meter, and 4x100-meter relay. Usain Bolt won 3 gold medals at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. He won 5 gold medals and 2 silver medals at the World Championship competitions. Usain Bolt's net worth is a whopping $120 million US dollars, making him the richest athlete in Jamaica and number 1 on this list of richest celebrities in Jamaica. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. As you guys know, that is what helps to keep Elite Jamaica going, and turn on notifications by clicking the blue bell icon. When you do that, you will always receive my updates. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.
I'm on the mission. A mission. Today's the day. Start your ignition. Let's take it away.